Hello everyone! I'm in a beautiful, world-famous location today. I'm following, of course, the Sicily Lovers, the people who join the Sicily Lovers Tour. This is the first edition of our small group tours of Sicily. We are in Agrigento, in the Valley of Temples. Valley of Temples is a beautiful, very special archaeological site, highlight in Sicily, in all our group tour of Sicily, and highly recommended in all your custom private tour of Sicily. So behind me you can see the temple dedicated to Athena, and in front of me, let me switch. This is the beautiful Temple of Concord, one of the most beautiful and well-preserved ancient Greek temples in the world. And this is the Mediterranean Sea over there. We are very lucky. Today is a bit cloudy, and maybe it's the best opportunity to enjoy this huge archaeological site. Of course, every time we make it smooth and easy to visit. So our walking guided tour consists of a very easy stroll along two of the main temples in the area. And if you want to join one of our group tours of Sicily, our 2026 editions are already sold out. There are some available spots in the 2027 editions. You can check the availability in our website, things-to-do-in-sicily.com. Of course, if you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily, it will be available all year round, and it will be customized according your special needs, your specific desires. So now I am walking through the main road in the Valley of the Temples. It's so beautiful, so special. I'm surrounded by an incredible vegetation. But in particular, the main feature of this area is the almond trees. The almonds they harvest in this area is one of the best in the world. They make excellent pastries, cookies, desserts, gelato, everything. I joined once again our Sicily lovers. They are enjoying the walking guided tour. We always need beautiful people like them in our tours. They are so special. A beautiful group. We have 18 Americans and 2 Canadians in this group. I'm so proud of them. And you can see some very funny buildings. So those are not pizza oven. Those are the ancient walls of the Valley of the Temples. Behind me you can see the beautiful Temple of Concord, maybe one of the best preserved ancient Greek temples around the world. And you can also see the beautiful statue, an iconic statue representing the fallen angel. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, stay tuned and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.